Marhaba everyone. Today our project is Galataport, which was under construction for some time, but now it's completed and it's one of the beautiful places on the Bosphorus on the European side of Istanbul. Galataport is a cruise ship port with a open air shopping mall and offices. The port is located on the European side of Istanbul on the Bosphorus shores. Galataport is an amazing cruise ship port that will receive ships from Europe, from North America, and the Middle East. Galataport is $1.8 billion project. There were some delays while the project was under construction, but now at last it's completed. Galataport is located in one of the most important areas in Istanbul on the Bosphorus. It has an open air shopping mall, restaurants. The mall has very famous international brands and local big brands with a lot of good restaurants to choose from. Galataport is the new star of Istanbul. It's a must visit place if you want to do shopping or have a dinner, lunch in one of the restaurants on the Bosphorus. Then Galataport is the place you want to be. Galataport has a long walking area directly on the Bosphorus shores. So if you want to walk on the Bosphorus shore near the city center of Istanbul, you have to go to Galataport. On one side will be the Galataport and the open area mall, and on the other side will be the Bosphorus. And across the Bosphorus, you will have good views of the first bridge, the Asian side, and the Eminönü area. Galataport is located in Beyoğlu area of Istanbul on the European side. It's easily accessible by T1 tramway or the blue tramway line, very near to the Galataport. Areas like Taksim, Karakoy, and on the other side Eminönü are all walking distance from Galataport.